Hello my alien students, welcome back. Hope everyone is doing good. So we're going to have one live class today, kind of live class, okay? So sit back, enjoy. Okay, so what we're going to learn today? First thing what we're going to learn is going to learn how to insert a PDF in Revit, okay? And from that we're going to make a building, okay? So if you're going to insert a PDF and then we're going to do a building, isn't it? So what is that? It's going to be an architect, isn't it? So let's go and click default metric, okay? Wait for the default metric to be loaded, okay? See, this is the 2019 version of Revit, okay? So you get the picture, no? You don't have all the commands here, but anyway, let's go to the insert tab and see here we do not have insert PDF, okay? So what we're going to do is insert from file. No, we don't have insert PDF in this version. No, beautiful. Okay. 1 minute. This is import CAD. We want manage link. No, we do not have. So we can't show you how to show insert PDF. Okay. So now what I'm going to do is I'm going to take a 2013 version and I show you in that one. Okay. So sit back, enjoy your class, and just in a couple of minutes shift to 2013, and then we keep moving forward. Yeah. Okay, what we can do is, I think I don't have access currently to my 2023 version of Revit. Okay, so what we're going to do is we're going to do something called as insert an image. Okay, we assume an image is like a PDF. Okay, this is called a quick solution. Okay, quick alternative. Okay, so what we're going to do is I'm going to insert an image, and on that we're going to scale the image. You're just going to see. Just give me a couple of minutes. We're going to have it there. Okay, yeah. Okay, I have inserted one image. Okay, so now what the story is? Okay, let's assume. Okay, let's assume that this part, how much is it? It says 2000, let's say 2300. Just give an example. Okay, 2400 millimeter. Okay, but what's the problem is, okay, this is 2300, isn't it? Okay, but what's the problem is, okay, it's 2300. How can it be 2400 millimeter? That means how much? 24, nothing, isn't it? Isn't it? It is nothing here. So what we need to do is we need to make sure, let's say instead of 2400, we need, let's say, give me a number. We need to scale it. Okay, instead of 2400, we need it to be 5000. Okay, so what we're going to do? Select the drawing. Okay, there's something called as a scale, very scale. This one. Okay, then what you're going to do? You're going to click one point and click the other point. Okay, this is 2400. Okay, then what's the new distance? Okay, let's say we need 5000. Okay, you see, then what you're going to do, you're going to measure it. Okay, see, 5000. You get the picture. See, this is kind of, because this is a scan sketch, it's a picture. Okay, so the same logic we're going to do it. Okay, so what is the aim of the story is, how do we insert an image? Okay, and then how do we scale it? Okay, let's say again, let's take another example. Okay, say this measurement is, let's say 5000. Let's say 5000. Okay, the problem we don't have object snaps here. It is because lock properties. Yeah, isn't it? So let's say this is 5000. We want to make it 10,000. How do we do it? Scale. Click a point and click another point. Okay, so it says 5000. Okay, now what I need, instead of 5000, I need 10,000. Okay, then measure. Okay, I hope you get the picture. Okay, so then from this we can start drawing the architectural building, isn't it? You get the picture, huh? Yeah, my aim was just to show you how to insert a PDF, or let's say PDF was not possible here, but in older version, in newer versions you have PDF option available. Okay, so it's just say sketching off a 3D diagram. You see how easy we finished. Okay. Okay, so I hope it's clear. and we see in the next class how the let's say the concept of visual graphics, okay, and visibility graphics, everything. Okay, we're going to do some view settings. Okay, hope everybody enjoyed this beautiful small class. See you all fresh in the next class, fresh and energized. Take care, and I think that's it for today.